Can do this. It's only going to take about 5 to 7 thousandths off, hopefully, and that will allow me to have no serration, or excuse me, no knurl on the crankshaft, and I'll be able to use that seal, and I can use this crank for any direction engine I want. Okay, I'm going to take my serration off here, and real slow. Alright, I'm going to double check it. I'm going to mic it, see where I'm at. It measured 2-inch 963 before I started. So we'll stop the show and see what she measures. Okay, I just ground the knurl off here. I didn't measure it yet, but it looks pretty good. This crank is standard and it's in good shape, so we're just going to polish the rest of it up. But I want to grind this knurl off here. So like I say, now with that knurl gone, we can use this in any direction engine. So that is the benefit for no knurl. And like I say, on a 360 you can do this all day long. 318 you got to be careful. You can't do that because you can't buy, at least I haven't been able to find a rear seal that's rubber that has no serration in it. So 318 opposite rotation, right hand, you got to use rope. The 440s, there's a new seal out now from Fast Fish Auto Parts that you could use both directions, which I have successfully. It's a one-piece design. There's a video on my page showing you how to use that as well. So you can cut the knurl off and run that either direction, because that seal doesn't have serration. But 318s right now, we don't have a solution for opposite rotation right hand. But like I said, this 360, we can use that Felpro rubber seal now and shouldn't leak.